Welcome to number 4 of our quick tips. We're going to look at the sliding steps in Sanchin. This is the final footwork choreography that we're going to do. There's 2 more tiny footwork movements at the very beginning and the very end of the kata, and we'll look at those when we do those sequences. So for now, we'll look at the sliding step. If I have my right foot forward, I'm in a right Sanchin stance, and to do a sliding step means that I'm going to slide. Can slide back too. So a lot of the same principles apply. As I take my weight off this foot, it starts by lifting the heel. The ball of the foot stays on. Very similar to when we do our Sanchin step. The ball of the foot, then the heel, and when we're moving, the heel comes up. And so we have this Sanchin shape that we're going to talk about later that's very, very strong and good for attacking, good for receiving as well. So as we shift like that, the weight is shifting a little bit off the center line so that the foot can go through that center line. That's how this applies to a kick. When we kick, similarly, we want to kick to that center target so the body shifts over so the leg can be on that center line. So that's a lot of information, but really all we need to know is lift the heel, allow your weight to shift so the foot will slide through the center line, and then put it down. So we come through, the ball of the foot will land first, of course, and then as that's coming down, the back foot comes up, straight, settle. So those are the sequences. That's the sliding step in its essence. Now that gives us a full vocabulary of shifting. We can step through, we can slide. Those seem very similar, but that step through also includes going to the side. We have turning for going to a 180, and the slide step will take us anywhere we want to go in any direction. And the basic rule is whatever foot is forward, whatever foot I should say is closest to where we're going, that's the one that's going to move. So if I'm going over here, I'm not going to move this foot and end up in a crossed up position. I'm always going to move with that foot. If I want to go this way, this foot will move. In Sanchin, there's a specific choreography using sliding steps, and it looks a little bit like this. We start in the direction of the forward foot and go right to the 90 and set. And then we go all the way 180, sliding through a big stance, and then to the front. Now we'll take that apart in more detail, but let's just go over that one more time. We're sliding, big slide, and sliding to the front. If we happen to be in a left stance at that point, then the first one will go to the left, and then the other way, and then back to the front. See you in class.